Hi everyone, this is Miss Peterson and I am here to introduce you to the tool that you should be using if you're in a partnership. It is called Screencast-o-matic. Now remember that with your Revolutions blog assignment, you had the option to either work individually to create 7 blog entries that covered the causes, 6 stages of your revolution, and then the results of the new government. If you're working in a partnership, that's going to make it slightly more difficult when it comes to creating your video, but never fear, Screencast-o-matic is here. Now before I get into this source, I do want to point out another option that you may have heard of. This is called Screencast-ify. This is a great source for you to use on your own computer, but the one issue is that it can record, it says it can record various things, tutorials, etc., but it can only record up to 5 minutes. So for this assignment, you are to be speaking as an expert about your revolution for 4 to 6 minutes. So if you go over that 5-minute mark, this will cut you off and we will not know about the last stages and the results of your revolution. So if you want to use this, that is your choice, but I am going to have us look at Screencast-o-matic. Now, when you look at this, it's going to give you various information. It's going to talk about how this is free. There are paid options, but we're going to use the free one, and you can cover up to 15 minutes of content. Now, if you look right here at this picture, you can record 3 different ways. You can record the screen, which is what I'm doing right now. You can record a webcam, which would be showing my face, or you can do a combination of both. And so in one part of the screen, you would have my webcam, you would see me in the video, and then on the other part, you would see the screen. So that is the version that I would suggest for you, is to have a picture of yourself and also the PowerPoint that you will be having going on. However, if you would like to just do the screencast and have just the PowerPoint going with your audio, that is also an option. Now, as you will notice, there are various options. This is if you want to pay per month. This is if you want additional features. The only reason that you would want to pay is if you don't want the watermark. Essentially, at the bottom or at the top of your video is going to be a small little watermark that just says Screencast-o-matic. We're just going to use the free version. So after you have made your account, you can make an account by signing in through Google or through just adding your own email. You're going to have options to start Recorder, to open a video editor, or to download and install the software. The first thing you're going to want to do is download and install the software to your own personal computer. However, we cannot do that with these school computers.